Hi guys, I'm Pip Wizard. Welcome to our channel, and it's the second video from the Smart Money's course. So let's go. At the first, we do our last homework from the last video. So we should find some pivots like that. This low can make this high, okay, and this moving can broke this low. Then this happened, we have a pivot on here. Look, we have a pivot on here. Then the market came back here, can move down, and you can make money from this strategy, but it's so basic. Wait, teach you how you can work with smart money. Or we have a bearish trend on here. Look, we have a bearish trend on here. Then the market can broke this high, okay. On here the market can broke. Then the market came back at here. Usual, you can see that the market came back here and moving up to here. We will know about the support and the resistance. We have a somewhere in the chart when the market can touch that place, we can see the action on that place like that here. This is a resistance. This is a resistance zone. The market came that here and touched the resistance zone, then come back down. Or that this place is that as usual, you can saw that this is a support zone. Then the market came back here. You can saw the supporting and the moving up the market. Okay, we have a static and a dynamic place on the old price action, but in a smart money we use support and a resistance. The next lesson is about change of polarity. Sometimes you have got that place, you have got a support line at here. When the market broke the support zone, then you can this zone for a resistance time. Like me, in the last of the market, I use that to make a money from this basic knowledge. Okay, the usual, you can understand about the support and the resistance and the change of polarity. The change of polarity, it can help you to have a proved money from the market. Okay, then usual, as you can saw them, we have a many plays to can be have experience on a market for a big successful trader. The third lessons about the trends. In that place we have a uptrend, so we must show all the lows in that trend like that. There are the lows are our trend. Okay, then you can find the lows. You should draw a line look like that. This is your trend line. If you want to draw a line or a trend line, should have a two important place or a period to draw a trading line. When we saw an important place, draw the trend line. When the price touch our lines, we can open another like that. We have got a uptrend and our line looks up. When the third touch, you can open a position like your trend. If you have got uptrend, you open a long position, but if you have got a downtrend, you open a short position. Okay, and you have got, I think you have got a question how we can set a stop loss, or how you can set a TP. You set your stop loss on the highest high in your market on the last, then set your stop loss on the lowest low in your market. Then this strategy is a 70% work. I make lots of money from that strategy. Oh, the important to you know about the draw trading line, the price should touch your trading line for 2 times and also broke a higher high or a higher low of the trend. Like that, you have got a downtrend, then the market can't broke the lower low. So you have gotten any, this is a false, and this isn't work. Okay, it didn't work. But if you want a correct trend line, you have got a bearish trend, then the market can broke the lowest low. You can draw a trend line, then set a position or a set order on that your line. When the market came here, then your order will be open, and then you can prove from this market. Okay, I will say important sentence. If you want to remember those sentences, you should write them. At the first one, you should remember that the trend is your friend. It's so important that the trend is your friend. Slopes are not important. The third of them is it's valid if you slope the trend line is the more than 45 dangerous. The last one, the numbers of the collisions should be more than 2 or 3 times. Like that I show you. You should have a 2 or 3 times touch of your trend line, and it's so powerful line. Okay, the classic technical say that any trend line have a many touches on a trend line. We have got a strong line, but in a modern price action, modern technical, they say any trend line has got a many touches of line lose his power. It's like the wood, then you kick the wood so hard, usual you can see the wood lose her power and will be weak, or we have got a broke wood. I believe in modern technical. What is your mindset? Write a comment for me. And your today homework is you should find a 4 trend line or a find trend, 2 bullish and 2 bearish, and find 2 support and resistance. Do your homework and send it on my Twitter or Instagram. Be healthy and rich. Have a perfect time. Goodbye.